Let us go with the problem number 5. Right, let us check out here. In the following pie chart, if the expenditure on food is 6,800 per month, so they have given food expenditure is 6,800. Find out the expenditure on education. So we are supposed to find the expenditure education we are supposed to find. Let us check out the percentage of expenditure. See, for food is 17%, right? For education is 16%, right? So now we can easily work on it. For 6,800, it is just simple ratio problem, right? 6,800, it is going to be 17. For how much? It is going to be 16, right? This and this you need to multiply, and this, right? So which is going to be, so 17x is equal to 6,800 into x into 16, right? So therefore x is equal to 6,800 into 16 by 17. Right, now simplify it here. 17 ones are 17 fours are, right? Now 400 into 16. Now multiply it here. 16 fours are 64. Add 2 zeros, that is 6,400. Option B is the right one.